Hello, I'm Dr. Kate. Have you ever wondered quite how you can best respond to the question, can you show me something? When you tell people that you're a hypnotist or a hypnotherapist, or how to best promote your business using awesome demonstrations and truly memorable presentations? Well, I might have the answer for you, and I'd like to invite you to my workshop on the Monday morning after the main hypnosis convention in November. During this workshop, you'll get to boost your confidence in a whole range of hypnotic tests, inductions, deepeners, and hypnotic phenomena that are specifically designed to really capture and keep your audience's attention. In addition to that, this highly practical and interactive workshop is going to help you develop your skills in delivering talks to a range of audiences. You'll discover essential information on how to elevate your own natural presentation skills, address any personal performance anxiety, and know how to select the absolute best hypnosis approaches to really fine-tune your performance and optimize the experience for both yourself and your audience. This is the perfect session to complete your UK Hypnosis Convention experience. Whatever your level of knowledge, from basic to student to decades of experience, you'll be most welcome. I look forward to meeting you soon at the UK Hypnosis Convention, but until then, thank you for watching.